You could start an Amazon FBA business for $0. And I'm not just saying that. AJ, one of my students, started with exactly $0 selling these cocktail cards and turned it into over $500,000 in his first year selling. We're gonna go from how to find a product to how to use AI to brand it to how to get the product manufactured without spending a dollar of your own money to launching on Amazon without having to spend on any marketing. Now, for every single step, I'll show you completely free tools and hacks, but also some paid ones in case you decide to speed things up. And the very first thing you have to do is find a product, but not just any product. The method I use is called niche branding. This is where you stop trying to sell to everyone and instead find a specific group of people who have a specific problem that no one is solving yet. So you create a unique product to solve that problem. And I've had a lot of students start their Amazon business with $0, but AJ is the best version of this story. He lost his job as a bartender during the pandemic, and he started watching my YouTube channel and realized that if he could create a passive income business using Amazon, he'd never have to worry about losing his job again. He then reached out to me for help, and we decided to partner on an Amazon business. I came up with the idea of selling cocktail cards because he was passionate about creating cocktails. He was a bartender, but the only problem was he didn't have any money to start this business. But what he did was amazing, and you can do it too. And there's some really easy ways to start an Amazon business, even if you have $0. Now, before I share exactly what he did, which is brilliant and something that you should do as well, let's talk about every single step of the process and show you how you don't need any money to do it. Now, I want to be clear, spending money will speed up how long it takes you to find a product, to get your branding done, to launch on Amazon. Every single part, if you spend money, it's going to be a little bit quicker than if you try to do the free route. But you can definitely do it for free. First up, finding a product to sell on Amazon. Helium 10, boom, there's a link in the description. There's also SmartScout. Boom, links in the description. They both offer free plans. Now, not only that, but here's a little secret. You can sign up for either SmartScout or Helium 10, and if you don't love it within the first 7 days, you can get your money back. Now, I have a bunch of videos here on this channel showing you how to find products on Amazon using SmartScout or Helium 10. And yes, if you pay for these tools, it's going to get you results faster because it unlocks a lot of features. I have the hookup with both of them. There's discount codes in the links down below. But once you find your product idea, a lot of people are like, now I'm gonna have to spend a ton of money on branding. And it's true. If you spend money on branding, you're gonna have a better logo, you're gonna have better packaging, which is gonna lead to more sales. But if you don't have any money, there are other options, especially with AI. Let's try this right now. Let's say we were gonna take a product like mouth tape for sleeping, and we wanted to niche it down for women. I'm gonna put this into ChatGPT right now, tell them exactly what we're looking for. First, let's get a logo. Boom, this is the logo it came up with. Now, let's get packaging and branding for our actual product packaging. Let's type in a little prompt here, and boom, this is what we got. This is pretty good. Now, don't get me wrong. If you pay a professional to do this, you're gonna get better quality stuff. I recommend going with FBAcreatives.com. Yes, it's gonna be more expensive than ChatGPT, but not only will they design your logo, your branding, they'll do your entire product listing. Now, you don't have to spend money on any of this. You could do your own product listing. In fact, I have free YouTube videos showing you step-by-step how to come up with a title, how to get images. You can use ChatGPT for 3D renderings. And I also talk about how to do the rest of the listing, including bullet points, description, all of that. But after you have your idea and your packaging design, you need to find a manufacturer. And this is another thing you can do for free using websites like Alibaba.com, Thomasnet.com, or Google. In fact, most of the people that work with me, most of my students, they do this for free. Almost no one pays someone to do this. And by the way, another thing that you can get for free is we're giving away free calls. For a limited time, we only have so much space available. These free calls are with people on my team, coaches on my team. And on this call, we'll tell you about our accelerator program. This is an exclusive thing. Not everyone that applies down below will qualify, and not everyone that makes it to a call will be a good fit for this program. We're very exclusive with this because I've had a ton of students go through this, and to me, the number one measure for success is how many students actually succeed. And I've had a ton of students go through the program, launch products, a ton of success stories, and I'd love for you to be the next success story. But the first step, if you want to work with me, is to sign up for that free call, learn more about the accelerator program, see if you're a good fit. And on this call, we'll give you a plan so that in the next 90 days, you'll be able to create and launch your Amazon business. We're going to give you the complete 90-day plan and tell you about the accelerator program. Link down below if you want to apply for that. And before I get back into AJ's story, AJ was actually one of the first accelerator students. He beta tested this program over 6 years ago. He was one of the first people I worked with, and he had so much success that I started sharing this with more and more students. I've had over 4,000 students go through this program. It's amazing. It's really dialed in. And anyways, click the link down below to apply for that. But let's get back into this video because there's a couple other steps to launching on Amazon, and you can do all of them for free. And as much as I love the accelerator program, if you don't have any money, I've got a free 12-hour YouTube video. I'll put a link to that down below. It's a free Amazon FBA course. Most people would charge $1,000 for this free course. I give it away for free on my YouTube channel because I want to give you value. I want to see you succeed. If you do go through the free program and you launch a product, send me an email. Let me know. Let's get you on the channel. I've had a ton of success stories come on this channel. I'll put a playlist to all those success stories down below as well. But once you have your product manufactured, the next step is to get it onto Amazon. You got to go to sell.amazon.com, sign up for an Amazon seller account, and you can do this for free as well. They have the individual seller plan or the professional seller plan. The individual seller plan is free. The professional one is $39.99 a month. Now, most of my students, I recommend going with the professional one. Why? Because with the individual selling plan, you have to pay an additional 99 cents per item you sell. So if you sell more than 40 units in a month, you might as well upgrade to the professional selling plan. Plus, it unlocks a bunch of other features. But if you're scared, if you're just starting out, start with the individual selling plan. Now, I realized I skipped a step. I talked about how to find your manufacturer, but I didn't talk about how to pay for your first production run. Because when you're getting products produced overseas or in the United States, it's gonna cost money. Now, I did have one product, a dog brush specifically niched down to just target golden retriever dog owners. And I started that business for $750, and that business is doing around $5,000 in sales a month. So to start from $750 to be doing $5,000 in sales a month is pretty amazing. But still, the title of this video is how to start an Amazon FBA business for $0, not $750. So how do you do this? How, if you don't have any money, could you start an Amazon business? And this is the magic moment of this video, because here's the thing. You don't need to have any money in order to raise money for your product. There are websites like Kickstarter or Indiegogo where you can crowdfund, where you can pre-sell your product before you have any inventory. And this is what AJ did. And he raised over $100,000 before he spent any money on his brand. All he had was some mock-ups, some logos, some designs, which you can do all of that for free, either by hand or using ChatGPT. He then went on social media like TikTok, started posting, started talking about his product. Again, completely for free. He did all his own editing. He used his phone, super easy to do, and he raised over $100,000. I did this as well. I raised $15,000 with my first passion product, Performance Nut Butter. And I've had a ton of other students replicate this success. Jeremy, Andrew, Brent, all these people have raised over $10,000 on Indiegogo or Kickstarter, and you can do it too. You don't need money in order to raise money for your first product. But here's the thing, when you spend money, you speed up your results, you get more information, and that's one of the biggest reasons why I have a coaching program, is because I've seen over and over again, people that watch my free 12-hour course, which I'll link in just a second, they don't have as much success as the people that actually pay for the coaching. Why is this? Because people that pay attention. People that put their money where their mouth is actually have success. And that's why I've opened up some free slots for coaching calls where you can talk to one of my coaches and see if you're a good fit for the accelerator program. On that call, we're going to give you all the information, and no matter what, the call's free. It's not a high pressure sale or anything like that. We're just going to give you information about the coaching program. And even if you decide not to join, we're going to give you a ton of value on that call. So click the link down below, sign up for your free call. And in the meantime, you can watch this 12-hour free course right here. So click to sign up for your call and then click and watch the 12-hour free course. Thanks for watching.